Trucks and Pumpkin, Halloween Coloring Book for Kids. Celebrate the Halloween season with the Trucks and Pumpkin, Halloween Coloring Book for Kids by Pravina Dirty. This engaging coloring book is designed to ignite the imaginations of young artists, featuring intricate blue truck designs intertwined with the spooky charm of Halloween. Watch as kids bring to life scenes that showcase a perfect blend of creativity and seasonal delight. Trucks and Pumpkin, Halloween, Coloring Book for Kids is an artistic adventure awaiting eager hands and young minds, making it an ideal Halloween-themed activity for children. To buy, links and descriptions.